In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group in CapCut Mobile. Grouping is really helpful when you're working with multiple clips, images, or text layers, and you want them to move together as one unit. Instead of adjusting each element one by one, grouping lets you keep everything aligned and perfectly in sync, which saves a lot of time and avoids small mistakes. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device and head into the project where you want to group your clips. If you haven't started a project yet, create a new one and add a few videos, photos, or overlays to the timeline so you have something to work with while we go through this. Once you're in the timeline view, zoom in a little if you need to so you can clearly see each clip you want to group. This makes it easier to tap accurately, especially on smaller screens. Take a moment to play through your edit and decide exactly which clips or elements need to move together. For example, you might want to group a main video clip with a text title and a sound effect that all happen at the same time. Now, tap and hold on the first clip or element you want to include in the group. After a moment, you should see it become active or highlighted. While it's selected, look for the option that allows you to select multiple clips. On many versions of CapCut, this appears after a long press, and you can then tap on each additional clip, photo, or overlay you want to add to the group. Carefully tap on the rest of the elements that belong together. Make sure you're only selecting the ones you actually want in the group. It helps to double-check that you haven't accidentally tapped something on another part of the timeline. When multiple items are selected, you'll see them all highlighted at the same time. With all of your elements selected, look along the bottom menu for the group option. Tap on it, and CapCut will combine those selected items into a single grouped unit. You'll notice that when you drag one, everything in that group moves together. This is perfect for shifting an entire sequence slightly earlier or later, or for resizing or repositioning several overlays at once. If you need to adjust something individually later, you can usually ungroup or edit items within the group, depending on your app version. But for keeping things synchronized and organized, grouping is one of the most efficient tools you can use in CapCut Mobile.